Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do auto subtitles or auto captions in Davinci Resolve. So let's just jump into it. So I have created this timeline where I have imported one video which is having audio synced with it. I will click on this and then I will go here on top in timeline and I will come down to create subtitles from audio. When I will click on that, you will have this pop-up in front of you where you have to select the language, caption preset, and then maximum number of characters in one line. 42 will give you 7 to 8 words, so you can have an idea like how many characters you want in one line. And then you have line if you want it single or double, and then the gap between subtitles you can choose whatever you want and then create. When you will click on create, it will analyze your audio and then it will create subtitles like this. Then first of all you will have to go through all the spelling checks. So to do that you can click on this and come here on caption and check here if there is anything wrong with spellings. After that, to choose the font, color, style, make it up and down, smaller or bigger, putting a background or anything, you need to come on track. And there you have the font first of all, then font face if it's going to be bold or italic or whatever, then you have the color, then you have the size, line spacing if you have two lines this will work, kerning is the space between the characters, and then alignment. I will not touch the strokes, you know what it is. Transform is basically where you can move it up and down, make it small and big, and then make it less transparent or fully opaque. So what I will do is I will just bring it down here and then I will make it a bit small. After that you have drop shadow. I'll not touch it, I'll just directly go to the background. In background, first of all you have the color of the background and then the outline color. Now to change the color you can simply click on this and then choose your desired color and do OK. And then outline, I will just increase it a bit so you can see. There you go. That's how easy it is to make subtitles in Davinci Resolve. If you wanna know in detail how to animate and make subtitles for your Insta reels and TikTok videos, I have made a longer video where I have explained every single thing. So you can click on that and watch that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.